All right, in this lesson, we're just doing a very, very simple for loop. We're going to look at printing numbers in a range. So all I have to do is type in for, let's just say I in range. Let's say 0, and we put in a comma. Now we need to put in a number one higher than the number we want to go to. So if I want to go to 10, I need to put in 11. And that's just the way Python was written. All right, now when I hit enter, I realized I made a mistake because my cursor came all the way back over here. So I'm going to back up. And I want to put a colon in there. So now when I hit enter, it gives me an indentation. And so I can do a lot of stuff in there. I can put a lot of commands under that, and it'll execute those commands 11 times, because it'd be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But for right now, I'm just going to print I. Okay, so if I run that, I print I. Now it gives me this column of numbers. And usually when I write numbers, I write them from left to right. So I can come back in here next to my I. I'm going to put a comma and type in end equals. Now I'm going to do quotation marks with a space in there. Now when I run this program, it puts them side by side. Now if I wanted to, I could count by twos. I can just put a comma. So the first two numbers will give me the range. The last one is just going to give me what I'm counting by. So let's say I count by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can back this up. I can count by 5s. It's going to make my list shorter. 0, 5, 10. Okay, it's always going to start with this first number. Let's change that to 1. Now, 1, when I count by 5, it goes to 6. Then my next number would be 11. But it's not going to go all the way to 11 because it stops 1 short of my biggest number. So if I wanted to go 11, then I could change that to 12. And I get 1, 6, 11. And so that's a simple for loop in a range.